Have you ever wondered why, despite working so hard, you still find yourself living paycheck to paycheck? You're not alone. This is a reality for many, but it doesn't have to be. Today we're going to explore some habits that might be keeping you trapped in this cycle. First up, we have a lack of budgeting and overspending. Without a budget, it's easy to spend more than you earn, leaving you with nothing by the end of the month. Overspending on non-essential items or luxuries can also deplete your paycheck before you realize it. The second habit is not prioritizing savings. It's easy to think, I'll start saving when I earn more. But the reality is, there will always be something to spend on. So if you don't make saving a priority now, you might never get around to it. Next, we have ignoring the importance of investing. Keeping your money idle in your bank account won't do you any good. Investing can be a powerful tool to grow your wealth over time. Lastly, not staying informed about financial matters. Without financial literacy, you're likely to make uninformed decisions that could negatively impact your financial health. By recognizing and changing these habits, you can break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle. It's time to take control of your financial future. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into each of these points in the upcoming scenes, starting with an introduction to the empowering world of investing. Remember, your journey towards financial freedom begins with the first step. Let's take that step together. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom? These were the questions that used to keep me up at night. I was trapped in a vicious cycle of bills, debts, and a constant struggle to make ends meet. But my life took a turn when I discovered the empowering world of investing. Investing, friends, isn't just a playground for the wealthy. It's a world where anyone, with the right mindset and a bit of knowledge, can create their own financial success story. And the beautiful part is you don't need a fortune to start. Let me take you back a few years. I was just like many of you, working hard but barely scraping by. That's when I realized that my hard-earned money could work just as hard for me. I started by setting aside a little portion of my income each month. It wasn't much, but it was a start. Then, I began learning about different investment options. I didn't limit myself to traditional avenues like stocks and bonds. I explored real estate, dipped my toes into starting my own business, and yes, I even dabbled in the stock market. But remember this, diversification is your best friend in this journey. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a surefire way to risk it all. Spreading your investments across different opportunities can help you build a robust financial portfolio. Staying informed and up to date with market trends is crucial. It helps you make informed decisions and adapt your investment strategy as needed. The financial world is ever-changing, and the only way to navigate it successfully is by staying informed. Investing, my friends, is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about playing the long game. There will be ups and downs, highs and lows, but remember, it's the long-term growth that matters. And here's the key takeaway. Start today. Prioritize your savings, diversify your investments, and stay informed. Your journey towards financial freedom begins with the first step. Remember, investing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about long-term growth. What's the first step to financial freedom? Prioritizing your savings. Let's break it down. Think of your income as a pie. Now, before you start divvying up that pie to pay for bills, groceries, and all life's necessities, take a piece and set it aside. This is your savings slice. Developing a habit of saving is like building a muscle. It might feel tough at first, but over time it becomes second nature. And just like a muscle, your savings will grow stronger and larger with time and consistency. You might be wondering, but what if I can only save a small amount? Well, let me tell you, even small amounts can make a big difference in the long run. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, your small savings today can grow into a substantial nest egg over time. Start today, make saving a habit. Your future self will thank you. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Heard of this saying? It's vital in investing. These words are more than just an old adage. They're the cornerstone of a strategy that can potentially change your financial future. Diversification. In the realm of investing, diversification is the practice of spreading your money across a variety of investment types to manage risk and maximize returns. Think of it as a financial safety net, protecting your hard-earned money from the unpredictable twists and turns of the market. Imagine your investment portfolio as a dinner plate. If you only eat potatoes, you're missing out on the nutrients found in other foods. Similarly, if you only invest in one type of asset, you're exposing yourself to unnecessary risks and potentially missing out on lucrative opportunities. The magic of diversification lies in its ability to balance risk and reward. Different investments perform differently under varying market conditions. When one investment is down, another might be up. By diversifying, you're creating a solid financial portfolio that can weather the storm of market volatility. There is an array of investment options waiting to be explored. Stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, and even cryptocurrencies. Each of them carries its own unique benefits and risks. By spreading your investments across these different options, you're not only reducing risk but also increasing your potential for high returns. But remember, diversification isn't about randomly throwing your money into different investments. It's a strategic move, rooted in research and understanding. It's about knowing how each investment works, how they interact with each other, and how they align with your financial goals. And just like with any other financial strategy, diversification isn't a one-time action. It's a continuous process that requires regular review and adjustment. As the market changes, so should your portfolio. This way, you ensure that your investments continue to align with your financial objectives. Diversification is key to a healthy financial portfolio. Don't forget this golden rule. With a diversified portfolio, you are not only minimizing risk, but also setting yourself up for a successful financial future. So, start today, explore the world of investments, and remember, diversification is your friend. Your journey to financial freedom is well on its way. In the world of investing, knowledge is power. It's essential to keep your finger on the pulse of financial news, market trends, and economic indicators. This doesn't mean you need to become a Wall Street whiz overnight, but taking the time to understand the basics can go a long way. Consider subscribing to financial newsletters, reading investment books, or even listening to finance podcasts. These resources can help you understand the ebbs and flows of the market and make informed decisions about your investments. Remember, investing is not a set-and-forget strategy. As the market evolves, so should your investment approach. Staying informed allows you to adapt your strategy, seize new opportunities, and mitigate risks. Keeping up to date with market trends can feel overwhelming at first, but over time it becomes an invaluable habit that can help you navigate the complex world of investing with confidence. Stay informed, stay ahead. So, why invest? Let's explore the power of investing. It's a potent tool that can lead you from the confines of paycheck to paycheck living to the expansive realm of financial freedom. This transformation doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and a bit of knowledge, you'll be amazed at the possibilities. Investing is more than just a means to an end. It's a journey towards financial independence, a way to secure your future, and a path to creating generational wealth. It's about making your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. Imagine a day when your investments pay for your lifestyle, your dreams, your retirement, and leave something substantial for the next generation. That's the power of investing. It's the potential for exponential growth, for wealth creation that surpasses the limitations of a regular income. But remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about long-term growth, about riding out the market's ups and downs. It's about patience and persistence, about staying the course even when the journey gets tough. There may be times when your investments dip or stagnate, but don't let short-term fluctuations discourage you. Stick to your plan, stay focused on your long-term goals, and you'll see the fruits of your labor in due time. Investing is also about empowerment. It's about taking control of your finances, about making informed decisions that can shape your future. It's about not just surviving, but thriving in a world where financial stability is increasingly important. So take the first step. Prioritize your savings, diversify your investments, educate yourself about the market, and stay informed. Embrace the power of investing and watch as it transforms your life, $1 at a time. By developing the money-making habit of investing, you can transform your life. It's a journey worth embarking on, a habit worth cultivating. So why not start today? Your future self will thank you for it. So, are you ready to take the leap and start your investment journey? Let's recap what we've covered today. It's clear that financial freedom isn't just a dream for the wealthy. With a bit of knowledge, the right mindset, and most importantly, the habit of investing, anyone can achieve it. Remember, the first step is to prioritize your savings. It's about setting aside a portion of your income each month, no matter how small. This simple habit can make a world of difference in the long run. Next, diversify your investments. Don't just stick to the traditional paths like stocks and bonds. Venture into real estate, start a business, or explore the stock market. By spreading your investments across various opportunities, you can minimize risks and maximize returns. And don't forget the importance of staying informed. Keep up to date with market trends and adapt your investment strategy accordingly. This will help you make informed decisions and navigate the ups and downs of the market with confidence. Investing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about patience, consistency, and a focus on long-term goals. Short-term fluctuations may be discouraging, but remember, the journey to financial freedom is a long one. Don't lose sight of the finish line. In conclusion, by developing the money-making habit of investing, you can transform your life and achieve financial freedom. Start today, prioritize your savings, diversify your investments, and stay informed. Your future self will thank you for it, so why not start your investment journey today? Take the leap, embrace the power of investing, and watch as your life transforms for the better. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how well you manage it. And with the right habits, you can turn your dreams of financial freedom into reality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insider tips for success.